house tour. Come. Okay guys, drum roll. So we are at Lamera Beach Apartment. Look at this. This is where we are at. Look at this. Lamera Beach Apartment. And this is the entrance of this place. This beautiful place. Yes. So this is the environment. You can show them around. They see the environment. From outside you can't tell. Here you go. So from outside you can't really tell whether this place is that beautiful, but the moment you get into this place, the houses are beautiful. There is a swimming pool, and then from there is a beachfront. So that is why we are they are called Lamera Beach Apartments, which are beachfront apartments. We've had a wonderful time here. Yes. So come, let me go and show you inside of these beautiful apartments. Over 100. We've had a very good time here. It's a place that we've called home for the last 5 days or few days. It's a huge entrance. It's very beautiful. There's parking, so you don't have to worry about parking if you're coming with your car. There's parking. Also, even if you're not coming with your car, you can use tuk-tuk. You can use there's Uber, of course. There's Uber in Kenya. So if you want to come to this place, I'm going to give you details on the description box. Just go and check it out on how you can get access to this place. So this is the area. You can show them around how it looks like. The flowers. It's a very beautiful place. There's so much parking in this place. This is parking, and this is parking. Okay, well, that is reserved for Guys, let us now go into the apartment and I show you how the house looks like. I'm giving you a house tour. Come. So when you come in, you take the stairs. Come, let me give you a tour. Follow me. And actually, on this other side, there's a lift. You can take a lift. But since we are not using a lift, I'm just going to give you a house tour. In 1, 2, 3. So this has been my home for the last 5 days or so. Come inside. So when you get in, is just when you get in, there's a washroom, and this is how it looks like. Very spacious, very clean. And there's a sink right here on this other side. Right, I rest. Now, welcome to this beautiful, beautiful space that we have here. When you come in, you'll find the dining table or the dining area. This is the dining table right here. And we have some food. So we're just from the beach. And let me tell you, we are feeling so hungry. It's around 3 p.m. We've not had our lunch. So yeah, that's the good thing about vacation. You don't think about food. You don't think about anything, any chores or nothing. You just come and have fun, relax, and then you go back rejuvenated or re-energized. Okay? So right here we have some food. I can see that we have some rice, vegetable rice. We have some chicken right there. And there's mokimo, my favorite. I love it. It was very nice. We had mokimo yesterday. And on this other side, we have this beautiful table. We have our stuff here. So don't worry about this because the house was looking so nice before we came in. But now, yeah. So on this other side of the wall, there's this wall painting which is very beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And here we have this cute vase or vase, if you like. And here is the living area. This is the living area, and there are these beautiful chairs right here, or couches if you like. Yes, very beautiful. You can show them around. There's a TV. Of course, you don't get bored. There's a TV, and they have this cute. What are these called? Yeah, it's like a shelf, but what are they called? The lighting. Yeah, they're very nice, and that is how the living area looks like. So when you go outside, there's a balcony here which is very huge, and there's this little setup here which is very cute. Has these little chairs, very nice, very beautiful. I mean, they've taken care of you. Like, you just feel, even if you're home, you feel like you're home away from home. And then we are, the main thing or the good thing about this thing is that we are right at the beachfront. Oh my God, it has been amazing. I've been having my breakfast right here outside. And then in front of us, right here, on this other side, we have the swimming area, which will be going later in the day. And then over there, you can see the ocean. There's the ocean and the beach is right there, right? So that is where we have been staying for the last 5 days. This is where we call home. Beautiful area. Then we go inside. Let me just show you quickly where the rooms or how the rooms look like. Yeah? So the house is it's pretty big. Yeah, so we will go straight to, okay, so we go this way. Let's go this way. So when you come straight into this bedroom, we have this bathroom, which is huge, very spacious. We have the bathroom right here, the shower is right here, and then the toilet is on this other side. Yeah, the shower is right there, and then the toilet is on this other side. It smells amazing. The cleaning lady has been doing a very good job. She's been doing a good job. So she's been doing a very good job, and we feel, honestly, we feel well taken care of. And then we come inside the bedroom, and this is how the room looks like. Very huge, very spacious. We have one bed here, and there's another big bed right here, so you can sleep 3 people or so. Yeah, like my size, you can sleep even 4 people. And look at this, they've taken care of you. There's a net right here. The bed is, can you see the arrangement? They are very neat, beautiful. The windows, we have the windows right here. Fresh air, a lot of fresh air is coming in, and I'll show you outside. Yeah, that is the view from inside. That is how it looks like from, from inside. So on this other side, there's another space right here where we have the wardrobe where you can put your things, and that is where we put our things. Okay. So when you come in this other side, this is like the master bedroom. It's very huge. Again, there's a bed here. Again, there's a very big bed right here where you can sleep even 4 people. Look at this, very nicely arranged. The pillows, everything is just fresh. As the cleaning lady takes care of you, so they're doing quite a good job. So this is a place that I would really, really recommend. And in this bedroom, there's a TV. Actually, you can show them. There's a TV in this room. But you don't need that TV. You've come for vacation, so you don't necessarily need a TV. And on this other side, actually, there's a balcony. So there's a balcony door, so you can actually go outside from this side. So this is the balcony that we've just shown you. So yeah, so that's just about it for this house tour. And that is where we've been calling home for the, the last 5 days. And then right here on this other side, there's this huge wardrobe where it can fit so many things, everything that you come with. Yeah, so they've taken care of you. You just feel like you're home. And this is a bathroom right there. So there's a bathroom, there's a bathtub if you want, and there's a toilet. Okay. So that's just about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video, subscribe, leave a sweet comment down below, and share all the videos. Bye bye.